friends, in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use date function in DAX in Power BI. So what is DAX? So DAX stands for your data analysis expression. So full form of DAX is data analysis expression. So keep in mind that word data analysis expression is the full form of DAX. Now what we need to do, I already have a file here which is your order, and this order file have this order date, profit, rows ID and ship date. So if you want to see this file, I will just go to date and I can find out like this is our order date, ship date and profit. And now according to order date we will use some basic formulas of our date. So to finding out the basic formulas, I will just click here in this file in data and click over this, and then here is a new column. I will just click on the new column. So I have a new column here added. So here I have a new column and I want to change the name of this column. I will give the name day 1 and then I will put equal to, then I will type day and just open the bracket. And now here we have to take the name of that column or that row from where we have to find out the day of that month. So these are the month columns. So we have to take only the column where we have a format in the date of date, like format should be in the date or like date format only, then it will work. So he will take day, then I have to type the name of our table which is order, and here from this order it's already show us, and here I will take order 1 order date. So this is our order date. So I will just click over this, and here I will take only the date, dot date, so that we are able to find out the date of the month, and then just click enter or in this right arrow key, and after a few seconds we will find out the date. So this is our date, this is 7, this is 15, so it is showing us the date. Next is, if we like to find out, I will add another new column here, and this time what I need to find out our month of our order date. So if you want to find out month of our order date, I have to type the name of the column first, which is month 1. I will type equal to, then I will again type month and just bracket open, and again name of this table which is order. So I will type order here, and order from order date I have to take this order date. So I will just click over this order date here, and here again I will take dot date. So dot date will find out which month this order date comes. So I will just click over this. Now I will just click over this right arrow key, and now you will see, let's see the months. So we have a month also here, so we are able to find out the month. So again, if you want to need more things, we can do that. If I will go to new, a new column will be added, and we have to change the name of the column because so that we can understand what this column means. So I will just remove this, and this time I will type quarter and just equal to, and here again I will type quarter, QARTER. So this is the spelling, we have to type the right spelling from here, take the right spelling, and then I will again take the table name which is order 1, and this time again order date. This is the table here, and again I have to take this date and just press right click. Now we are able to find out which quarter, which month, which day, like these particular order date fell. So we have the information like on the 7th day, on the 4th month, and in the 2nd quarter. If you want to change the name, we can do it anytime. I have to put R here, so I will put R here, and then I will put right, so it will change the name then. So this is a way we can use the date function in Power BI DAX, and DAX stands for your data analysis expression, and it's a programming language that is used through Microsoft Power BI for creating, calculating column measures, custom tables. All these things can be done. It is collection of functions, operations and constant that can be used in formula or expression. So this is the way we can use it in date. Thank you very much for watching this video.